Namaskar. Today we are going to solve quadratic equation by factorization method. So we have a equation 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Let us write this equation. To solve this equation, we take the coefficient of x square as 2 and the constant term 6, and we multiply them, and we get 2 6 are 12, and we factorize it. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and we check it by adding and subtracting to get the middle term 1. So 2 2 are 4 minus 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So we'll take this. So 2x square plus 4 minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So we'll open the bracket. 2x square plus 4x plus into minus is minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So from these two we can take common 2x, then we are left with x plus 2 minus 3, we shall take common from here, 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 is common in both, so we'll take x plus 2 common, and we are left with 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now either x plus 2 is 0 or 2x minus 3 is 0. From here we'll get x equal to this. With this plus 2 we'll subtract minus 2 and we'll add here. We'll subtract minus 2 in the right hand side also. So these two are cancelled, we are left with minus 2. So here we have 2x. With this, what we can do is we will add 3 both sides equal to plus 3. Then we'll cancel these two and we'll have 2x equal to 3. So we'll divide both sides by 2. Then we'll have these two to cancel, so x equal to 3 by 2. We have answer. Therefore we can write x equal to minus 2 and 3 by 2 is our answer. So we have another equation, number 2, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. We take the coefficient of x square as root 2, this one, and constant term 5 root 2, and we multiply it, 5 root 2. We multiply it, we get 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 5. So we don't need to factorize further, we'll check it, 5 and 2 whether we get 7 or not. So 2 plus 5 is 7, we get it in the middle term. So let us do it. Root 2x square plus within bracket 2 plus 5 x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0, or let us open the bracket now, plus 2x plus into plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. From these two we can take root 2x common, root 2x within bracket x plus root 2. From these two we can take 5 common, 5 into x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now x plus root 2 is common in both, so we can write x plus root 2 root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So either x plus root 2 is 0 or root 2x plus 5 is 0. So what we can do here is x will subtract this one with negative root 2 on the right hand side, also same thing will do. So this gets cancelled. So what we have, x is equal to minus root 2. Let us do this. So what we do here, we subtract 5 as it is plus 5 and subtract on the right hand side also 5, 0 minus 5. So we have root 2 x equal to minus 5, or we have x equal to minus 5 by root 2. We have learned in our early classes that if the denominator is in radical form, we transfer it in the real number form. So 5 root 2, we multiply the same number upside and downside it will be root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. Minus 5 root 2 by 2 is our answer. Now we have another question, 100x square plus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we take the coefficient of x square as 100 and the constant term, coefficient of x square is 100 and the constant term is 1. 100, 10 plus 10 is our 20. So we get the middle term 20. So let us solve it now. This 100x square plus 10 plus 10 plus 10x plus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll take common from these two. 10, we have a common factor 10x, so it is 10x plus 1. We don't have anything common here, so we'll take 1 as the common factor for this. 10x plus 1 is common in both, so we write 10x plus 1 within bracket left with 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Either anything. So here we write well, here also the same thing we have. So we'll subtract 1 on both sides. Then we have then cancel these two. Here also we can cancel. 10x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 10 is our answer. Let us solve another problem, which is x square minus 10x minus 96. Coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is 96. We'll multiply it to get 96, then we'll factorize this. So 16 minus 6 is 10. We have middle term 10. Let us solve this also. Now 16 minus 6 x minus 96 equal to 0. Let us open the bracket. Now 16x minus into minus is plus, 6x minus 96 equal to 0. From this part we can take x common, x minus 16. From these two we'll take 6 common, so it is x minus 16 equal to 0. X minus 16 is common here in both the cases, so x minus 16, here we are left with x and here we have plus 6 equal to 0. So either x minus 16 is 0, x plus 6 is 0. In this case we will add plus 16 both sides. So we have this, we can cancel it, so x equal to 16. Here we can since it is plus 6, we'll write minus 6 both sides, minus 6. So we can cancel these two. We have x equal to minus 6 is our answer. It's very easy. This is the procedure, this is the way we have to solve it. We have to factorize and check it. Now we have a problem. X square plus 2 root 2 x plus 2 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant is 2. So we multiply it, we get it 2. Then to get the middle term 2 root 2, we break this 2 as root 2 into root 2. Then if we add it, we'll get, if we add these two, we'll get 2 root 2. So let us solve it. We can take common x. So we are left with x plus root 2. From these two, we'll take root 2. Since it is 2 we can break into root 2 into root 2. So plus we can take root 2 common, x plus root 2 equal to 0. So x plus root 2 is common in both. We'll take x plus root 2 within bracket this x plus this root 2, x plus root 2 equal to 0, or the second part, x plus root 2 equal to 0. So here we'll subtract it the same on both sides, minus root 2. Then we can cancel this, so x equal to minus root 2. The same thing will root 2 as answer. So easy. Let's solve another one. 14x plus 5 minus 3x square equal to 0. Here we have minus 3, we write in the descending order, minus 3x square, then 14x plus 5 equal to 0. Then we take minus sign common, 3x square plus become minus and this plus become minus equal to 0. Remove the minus sign, 3x square minus 14x minus 5. We take the coefficient of x square 3, constant term 5, 3 5 is 15. 5 minus 3 is not 14, 5 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is not 14. So 15 minus 1 is our 14. So we open the bracket, 3x square minus 15x plus minus into minus is plus x minus 5. So we take common from these two as 3x, x minus 5 left, and from these two we take 1 common, x minus 3x plus 1, either x minus 5 is equal to 0. We write the opposite sign of minus as plus 5 on both sides, then we can cancel, x equal to 5, and 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus sign of plus 1 is minus 1. We write both sides, we can cancel this, so 3 is equal to minus 1, so x equal to minus 1 by 3. Here we have a question. Find the number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So we take, let the two numbers be x, and from this 27 we'll subtract x, or we can check it here, x plus y equal to 27. We find out y equal to 27 minus x. We write it this here. Now according to question, we have product is 182. So we shall multiply it, 27x minus x square equal to 182. Descending order of power of x plus 27x. This we bring it to the left, it becomes minus 182 equal to 0. Or we can take here minus sign common, 1, and constant term is 182. So 2 7 is 14, 14 plus 13 is 27. X square minus within bracket 14 plus 13. So let us open the bracket of this one, minus 14x, minus into plus is minus 13x. Take x common from these two, x minus 14 minus 13 can be taken common here,
x minus 14. 13 into 14 is 182 equal to 0. So x minus 14 is common in both. X minus 14, then x minus 13, either or x minus 13 equal to 0. Then we'll plus 14 both sides. Then this can be cancelled. We have x equal to 14. Here we'll plus 13 both sides. That means we have x equal to 13 if we cancel these two. And x equal to 14, we have 27 minus 14, this one, plus 13. When x equal to 13, this second one we take it, so 27 minus 13 is 14. Therefore the required numbers are 14 and 13, 14 and 13, or 13 and 14. This is our answer. Here we have a question. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. We shall think about this later. Let us think about this one. So let us start like this. Let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Consecutive means one after another. Here we took it x and next one will be plus 1. So according to question, let us go to the second part. Sum of whose square? Sum. Let us think about sum. So sum of these two, it will be x plus 1. X plus 1 square is like this, is 365. Now let us break this. X square plus a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us break in that form. X square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 is 2x, plus 1 square is 1, or x square plus x square will be 2x square plus 2x. So plus 1 minus 365 is 2 common here. To cancel it, make it a bit easy for calculation. X square plus x minus 182 equal to 0. As previous we solved. So 10 minus 13, x square plus 14 minus 13 is our middle term. It is a bit similar with the previous one, but there is a fact. It is saying consecutive positive integer. So after solving only we shall know. Now we open the bracket. X square plus 14x minus plus into minus minus 13x minus 182. We take common here x. Within bracket x plus 14 minus 13 common, x plus 14 equal to 0. Now x plus 14 is common in both. So we shall write x plus 14 left with x minus 13 equal to 0. Either or. We shall subtract 14 from here both side. Then this cancel. So we have x equal to minus 14. In this case we shall add 13 both side. So this cancel, we get x equal to 13. So this will be neglected because the question is asking positive integer. So we take x equal to 13, x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1, which is 14. Thus, the required numbers are 13 and 14. This is our answer. Now we have a question. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Now draw a right angle triangle. Here altitude, this is the altitude, this is the altitude, and this is the base. Altitude is 7 less, then that means if the base is x plus 7, altitude will be 7 less, that means minus 7, it will be 7 will be cancelled, it will left with x. And hypotenuse is given 13 cm, 13 h equal to, so we have to find these two parts p and b. So let us solve it. P x base equal to x plus 7, and we have hypotenuse. So we know that by Pythagoras theorem is equal to b square plus b square, or p square plus b square, we can write it. So this is 13 square equal to b, we have x plus 7 whole square plus x square. 13 square is 169 equal to a plus b whole square is a square plus twice ab plus b square. So we shall break it in that form. X square plus 2a, 2 into x into 7 is 14, x plus 7 square is 2x square plus 14x plus 49, or let us write this first, 2x square plus 14x plus 49, this goes to the right, becomes minus 169 equal to 0, or 2x square plus 14x. So this big and this small, so we write minus sign, and if we subtract this, we get x square plus 2 7 is 14, x minus 2 60 jar equal to 0. We are having constant of x square is 1 and the constant term is 60. If we multiply, we will get 60. We can do in direct form also. If we can calculate it as 12 5 just 60, 12 minus 5 is 7. We can say in that way. We can factorize as well. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 5 is or 7. So let us calculate. Or let us open the bracket now. Plus 12x minus 5x. Take common here x. So x plus 12 minus, we shall take common from both. So minus 5 we shall take common, 5x plus 12 equal to 0. From this to x plus 12 and left with x minus 5 equal to 0. Either or we shall subtract here 2 and we get x value as minus 2 and add 5 both sides. So this will be cancelled. So x equal to 5. Since it is a triangle and measurement is always positive, so we neglect this. Neglected, this neglected. So we take only 5 as our value. So find the other two sides. So therefore base is equal to 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12 centimeter, and altitude is x, so it is 5 centimeter is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Feel free to comment below and comment the topic you may need. Thank you once again.